Okay, so we're gonna be showing you guys how to do the varsity volleyball score sheet. So first you're gonna start with writing the names. So we're gonna just do examples, so blue and red. And then you put the place, which is our school, 5A. And then we play varsity, so we're gonna circle varsity. And then the date, obviously it's gonna be the day of. And then the scheduled time should always be 7 o'clock p.m. So then the start time, you just look at your phone, whatever time it is, you put as the start time. We're just gonna put 7 o'clock for an example. And then we're gonna go through each team. So this would be the left side of the net and this would be the right side of the net if you were doing score at the table. So we're gonna fill in the teams, blue, red, and then whoever the ref, the up ref, whichever one they say has serve, we're gonna say red has serve first, so we're gonna check the red box. And then we're going to put in the player lineups, which you'll get from the coaches. We're just gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then these are like the places on the court. And then we're gonna do this one too. And then we're gonna set the set number, which is 1. And then liberos, we'll just put an L. But it'll be on the lineup sheet, it will say the liberos and the captains. So captains, you just put a C by the number. And then as the game goes on, we'll say 7 subs in, oopsie, just kidding. So the captain always has to stay on the court. If they come off the court, you have to ask the coach who's the captain and they'll tell you, and then you just put CC. And then, so say we have a substitution, you're gonna put the sub here, cross off one of the substitutions down here, and then that's it. And then over here, this is where you keep score. So 1, 2, 3. You just mark them off as each team gets points. And then we write the timeouts here. So you write the score of the team that took the timeout. So if the red team took a timeout and their score is 4 and the blue team's score is 3, you're going to write 4, 3. And if the blue team took the timeout, you're gonna put 3, 4. Each team has 2 timeouts. And then down here, once the game is over, it's gonna be at 25. I'm just gonna cross all them off real quick. Okay, and then once you get to this point, you're gonna, with a pen, you're gonna change the pen, and then you're gonna tee off the points, and make sure you do it like that, so that way no one can come back and change the score, and you have to do it in pen. And then you write the final score down here, 25-7, and then you have the referees write their name right here. So we'll just do Coach Clark. Oopsie, that's not how you spell coach. Coach Clark. And then we'll just do my name as the second ref. And then after the ref has checked over everything, they'll put their signature here. And then that's it. And you do the same. You have to fill out all of this again for set number 2, but you just write 2 here. But since varsity goes to 3, you'll have to do this 3 times. And then obviously the finish time, which is we'll say 8 o'clock. And then that's it, and you're done.